Welcome guys, this is video 3. This is the part 3 video of putting this computer together. Actually the Dell 410. And today I received the package of the motherboard. And that's the old one. That's the new one. So we're gonna find out, we're gonna just unwrap it, find out, look at it to see if they look alike. And yeah, let's take a look. So this is the new motherboard. Actually new, but this is the one that I just received or got delivered. And pretty much they were kind enough to ship this motherboard as well with a CPU. This is the 6300 dual core, and I actually have the 6600. It's still faster, but it's pretty good, from their part. Pretty nice of them to send it with a CPU. And notice here they sent 2 stick of RAM up to the R2, 512 each megs, 1 gig total. And looking at the board and doing some inspection, the board looks pretty good. As you can see, the caps are all in place. Alright, this is the cap that went bad on my older board. Alright, so we're gonna do a comparison and match the I/O port on the back to see if they are the same, which I think they are. Okay, so let's do a comparison. So this is the board replacement, and this is the beat up one. So you can see side by side, they'll have the component located in the same place. 4-pin connector, 24 connector. There you go. The back I/O. The rear I/O looks pretty, yes, all the same. You can see it there. The PCI slots. There we have it there and here. Okay, so they're both the same. And let's put this computer together and let's see if we can revive this thing. Okay. So now I've transferred some of the components onto this new replacement board. This is the CPU, right, the 6600, and this is the 8 gig, obviously the Corsair RAM, 8 gig total RAM here. And we're gonna just put it back inside the case, connect everything back together, and let's see. Okay, now that we have everything put back together, we're gonna fire this up for the first time, crossing fingers. Did I miss anything? Uh-oh, not good. Okay, we're gonna give it a second shot at turning this Dell on. I found out that this ribbon cable, I left it disconnected, and that one controls the front panel. Alright, and for some reason it does make has a function, even though this is the wire that connects the power button. Still, the computer will not turn on unless the front panel is as well connected to the board. Alright, so let's give it a second shot and let's see what happened. Crossing fingers. It's alive. there you go. So the computer is booting up, not a problem. And there you have it, guys. This is the way, you know, this computer is still up, you know, it's good for today's task. So I spent about $40 on the motherboard, and pretty much it, you know. It saved me from buying another computer, and it was an easy, quick fix. So there you go. Thank you for watching. As you can see, if you have an old computer that's still, you know, fast enough for today's task, you could do the same thing. Okay, so if you like this video, like it, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.